In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Telegram X app to your Android TV even without using the Google Play Store application. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you don't have the Google Play Store app, but you want to install the Telegram X, this is what you can do. Go over to your browser. Any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. Now, your browser just search Telegram app or Telegram app download. But in most cases, you can just simply type Telegram X. I'm just typing Telegram because the short keyword is still going to bring me the result I'm looking for. So here's the Telegram X app. Now, Telegram X app is different from the Telegram app, please. There is a difference. This one is faster than the standard Telegram app. So you click on it over here, and what you have to do is just click on install, and the application is going to start installing to your Android TV as long as it's an Android TV. So that's how to download and install it without any issues. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.